additive therapy versus the replacement therapy. So first, the additive therapy. The additive therapy, from the word itself, having or relating to a value or effect that is the sum of individual values or effects. It relates to the sum of the pharmacological responses produced by the concurrent administration of two or more drugs capable of producing the same kind of effect. Often occurs when the two similar drugs are taken together to achieve the same degree of therapeutic effects while reducing the specific adverse effects of one particular drug. Replacement therapy, on the other hand, is a therapy involving the supply of a substance lacking in or lost from the body. Furthermore, it is a process of replacing abnormal thoughts or behaviors with healthier ones through the use of therapy focused on constructive activities and interests. Treatment in which a natural or synthetic substance is substituted for one that is deficient or lacking in